Best Foldable Drones. Are you looking for the best foldable drones? In this video we will look at 5 of the best foldable drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Mini Drone with Camera. This 1080p HD FPV mini drone is a beginner-friendly, feature-packed option perfect for both adults and kids. Its compact, foldable design makes it highly portable, and it comes with a convenient carrying case for easy transportation. The drone includes a 1080p HD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable lens, allowing users to capture clear aerial photos and videos from various angles. Designed for ease of use, it features one-key takeoff and landing, making it simple for beginners to operate. Altitude hold ensures stable flight and smooth footage, while the 360 degrees flip function adds an element of fun and creativity to flying. With its intuitive controls, even novice pilots can enjoy the drone's performance right out of the box. The drone comes with 2 batteries, doubling the flight time and extending the fun. This makes it ideal for longer sessions, whether you're exploring new locations or practicing piloting skills. Its FPV, first-person view, capability allows users to stream live video to a connected device, enhancing the flying experience and making it perfect for capturing memorable moments. This mini drone is an excellent gift for beginners and casual drone enthusiasts, offering a blend of user-friendly controls, fun features, and decent camera quality. While it may not have advanced features like GPS or obstacle avoidance, it provides great value for its price, particularly as an entry-level drone for learning and entertainment. Number 2. Mini Drone with Camera. This mini drone with a 1080p camera is a compact, beginner-friendly drone suitable for adults and kids. Its foldable design makes it portable and easy to carry, perfect for travel or outdoor use. The 1080p FPV camera features a 90 degrees adjustable lens, allowing users to capture clear aerial photos and videos from various angles. The real-time FPV capability streams video to a connected smartphone, enhancing the flying experience. Designed for ease of use, the drone includes one-key takeoff and landing, making it accessible for first-time pilots. Its stable altitude hold ensures smooth hovering for steady footage and hassle-free control. Additional features like gravity control and trajectory flight add an interactive and fun element, letting users guide the drone by tilting their smartphone or presetting flight paths. The drone comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, providing extended flight time for more prolonged enjoyment. It's ideal for practicing piloting skills, capturing scenic views, or just having fun. The intuitive controls make it easy for both kids and adults to operate, while the drone's durable build ensures it can handle minor bumps and crashes. This mini drone is a versatile and affordable choice for beginners and casual users, combining user-friendly operation with engaging features. While it lacks advanced capabilities like GPS or high-end camera quality, it offers excellent value as an entry-level drone for fun and learning. Whether as a gift or for personal use, this drone delivers a delightful flying experience. Number 3. Drone with Camera. This drone with a 2K HD camera is a feature-rich, beginner-friendly option designed for both kids and adults. Its compact, foldable design ensures easy portability, making it ideal for travel and outdoor adventures. The 2K HD camera offers crisp photo and video quality, with FPV, first-person view, capability streaming real-time footage to your smartphone for an immersive flying experience. Equipped with a brushless motor, the drone provides improved durability, quieter operation, and enhanced stability during flight. Its altitude hold function allows it to hover steadily for clear images and videos, while gesture selfie mode lets users capture photos or videos using simple hand gestures, adding a fun and interactive touch. The drone includes several beginner-friendly features such as one-key takeoff and landing, making it simple to operate even for first-time users. Advanced capabilities like Waypoint Fly allow users to set custom flight paths for hands-free exploration, while 3D flips add excitement to the flying experience. 2 included batteries ensure extended flight time, providing more opportunities for fun and practice. This drone is a versatile choice for casual users and beginners, offering a good balance of ease of use, engaging features, and quality camera performance. While it doesn't include advanced GPS navigation or professional-grade camera specs, it delivers great value as an entry-level drone. Perfect as a gift or for personal use, it's designed to provide an enjoyable and hassle-free flying experience for all ages. Number 4. Drone with camera. This drone with a 1080p camera is an ideal entry-level quadcopter for beginners and kids, offering fun, easy-to-use features in a compact and foldable design. The 1080p camera captures clear photos and videos, while the drone's FPV, first-person view, capability streams live footage to a connected device for a more immersive flying experience. Designed for simplicity, the drone features one-key start and altitude hold, ensuring stable hovering and easy control for novice pilots. Additional fun elements include voice control, allowing users to command the drone using simple voice instructions, and gesture selfie mode, which enables hands-free photo and video capture through hand signals. The drone also supports 3D flips for exciting aerial stunts and provides extended flight time with 2 rechargeable batteries included. Its foldable design makes it highly portable and convenient for storage, making it suitable for indoor or outdoor use. The remote control is intuitive, and kids will enjoy experimenting with features like trajectory flight, where they can draw a flight path on their device for the drone to follow. This drone is an excellent gift for boys and girls, blending entertainment with ease of operation. While it may not offer advanced GPS navigation or professional-grade camera quality, it provides plenty of value with its user-friendly features, interactive controls, and engaging performance. It's perfect for families and beginners looking for an affordable, fun, and reliable drone to start exploring aerial photography and piloting skills. Number 5. Drone with camera 1080p HD FPV. This 1080p HD FPV foldable drone is a user-friendly quadcopter designed for beginners and kids, combining fun features with practical functionality. Its foldable design and included carrying case make it portable and convenient for travel or outdoor adventures. The 1080p camera captures clear aerial photos and videos, with FPV capability allowing real-time video streaming to a connected smartphone for an immersive flying experience. The drone includes beginner-friendly controls such as one-key takeoff and landing for easy operation and optical flow positioning for improved stability during flight. These features make it easier for users to capture steady images and enjoy smooth flying, even with minimal experience. Gesture and voice control add an interactive element, enabling users to control the drone or capture selfies with simple commands or hand gestures. For added excitement, the drone supports 360 degrees flips and waypoint fly, where users can draw a custom flight path for the drone to follow. These features, combined with intuitive controls, provide an engaging and enjoyable experience for both kids and adults. With its durable design, compact build, and user-friendly features, this drone is an excellent choice for entry-level pilots looking to explore aerial photography and piloting. While it may lack advanced capabilities like GPS or professional-grade camera quality, it offers excellent value with its practical features and fun performance. The 2 included batteries extend the flight time, ensuring longer sessions of entertainment and practice. Perfect as a gift or for personal use, this drone is ideal for those seeking a reliable and engaging flying experience.